Hello and Merry Christmas. Welcome back to Kleps Garage, where we like to showcase cars, work on cars, and especially drive them. Drive them if you got them. Anyhow, today is Christmas Eve towards the afternoon. This morning I was out here trying to mind my own business and wrap some presents and get ready for Christmas, and I got the phone call from none other than the big man in the red suit. And I know you'd never believe me, but I filmed it. So come along, let's see what happens today.
Every time. Well, that's a strange area code. 1225 says the North Pole. Hello?
Is this Central? Okay. Can you get me Kleps Garage? I need to talk to Bruce.
Hello, this is Bruce.
Hey, I'm broke down out here in the Midwest. I was out checking my warehouse to make sure everything was ready. And so I'm broke down. I need for you to repair my vehicle.
Well, the caller ID says this is the North Pole. Is this Santa?
This is Santa, yes.
Wow, and you picked to come here? Great. How soon will you be here?
Well, I'll be there as soon as I can. And by the way, I'll be coming in hot.
I think I hear Santa. Hey, it is Santa. Hi, Santa.
Hi, Bruce.
How you be?
Well, not too good.
Not too good.
No, my little red car got a problem.
Uh-oh. We better check this out.
Well, let's see how bad it looks. Oh, my. I think it's running a little hot.
We better let that cool down. Yeah, oh, I think we better definitely let that cool off a little bit.
Yeah, it's pretty hot.
Why don't you come in? I got a seat. Would you like some milk and cookies?
Sure.
I knew you couldn't pass those up. Here's a glass for you.
All right.
And here's a selection of cookies. Have one or have them all. Do you have to watch how many cookies you eat?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't blame you. So you were out running around checking on you have a warehouse around here somewhere?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And that's all for Christmas Eve setup.
That's correct.
I imagine you could get away with driving around this time of year because everybody's dressed like Santa. Otherwise, they would think that there was something up. Well, we're going to let this car cool down. We'll pull it in the shop and see what's wrong with it. Santa and I is going to have some cookies.
Well, that sure hit the spot.
Yep, nothing like milk and cookies.
It's really good.
You probably get a lot of that though, don't you?
Yes, I do. Chocolate chip is my favorite.
I've been trying to put some weight on. Will that help?
Definitely, definitely. Say, while I'm here, can I use your shop?
Sure. My shop's your shop. Whatever you want to do.
I got a project I need to work on.
Oh, great. Great. Well, I'll let you do that while I pull the car in and see what's wrong with it. It's, follow me. It's over here. Take your drink. Yeah, come on. What do you need? Like a bandsaw or? I don't have a lot of equipment, but there's a saw and a drill and a sander. There's some wood.
Okay,
All
that's
right.
what I need.
Thank you. I'll go get the car.
here. You want a rattle can?
Well, that'll work. That'll work.
Okay, yeah, I'll get it. Yeah, there's some right here. Ain't this red? There you go, Santa.
Thank you.
Yeah, this thing definitely got hot. I think I see the problem. The fan blade quit turning. Cause, well, Santa, you better come look at this.
All right.
You know, I know this is your little red car and you haul gifts in it, but I think you've got too many gifts in here. This thing here's kind of in the way.
Oh, wondered where that was.
You might want to put that in the seat so you can take it with you.
All right.
Yeah, I don't think this belongs in here neither.
Okay.
Now, I've heard of a hood light, but this is ridiculous.
Wondered where that was.
Man, I know somebody's going to be missing this. Surely, I don't really know who this is. Is this for the elves?
Yes.
Oh. Yeah. Santa, I don't think you have much free time, but when's the last time you went golfing? These are wooden clubs.
Well, you know, I'm pretty old.
I know.
Yeah.
Must have been a while. You really should
My
clean
first
out
set. My
Your
first set.
First
Yeah.
set. You probably really should check under the hood more often. Well, I think that's all that's in here. What's this thing for? I've never seen one of them under a hood. Okay, well here's the problem. The water pump shot and the fan wasn't turning. So I think if we get this done, we can get you on the road pretty quick. And you're in luck because I've got some parts around here for this particular model, and I think I got one. All right, I think that's the last bolt on the new pump. Here's the old one. It's kind of cruddy, but I feel better putting a new one in.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
And we'll get the belt back on, get some water in this thing, and I think you're going to be good to go.
All right. Sounds like a plan.
So you want to move that? I'll shut the hood. Well, I like the little airplane.
Yes. A jet fighter.
Does this fly?
Yes, sir. Well, it's not been flying well.
Your car or this?
The car. Either one.
Your car flies?
Yes.
Well, you say it's not flying well?
No.
What's wrong with it?
Well, it just doesn't have the spunk it used to.
Maybe I better take a look. Let me grab that. I'm going to go underneath this other side here. See if I see any issues. I don't know what I'm looking for, but... Oh, well, I see one problem. Your propeller shaft fell off.
Oh, no.
And there's your propeller. Well, this has got two of them. Well, you're in luck. I think I can fix it.
Good.
We'll just bolt everything back together. It flew before, right?
Right.
It should fly now. I hope. Otherwise, Santa's not gonna, he's gonna be late for Christmas. Oh. Well, hopefully that'll do it. All right, Santa, I know you're in a hurry, and I think that's going to do it.
Well, I sure appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're quite welcome.
Here, I made you something.
Santa, did you do that while you was here?
Yes.
Well, thank you. Look, it's a little red Santa car. Looks just like this one. All right, well, open the door and we can back out.